Hello, trading is closed on July 3rd, 2018. Last call said there was a MEJT target of 2706.24, most likely to print today. And I said if we gapped up sharply, as always, the call was killed. So we gapped up sharply and there was no call. Even if it were, I said that because this usually prints within a day and the day was a shortened day, we have to give some allowance for that. Anyway, it didn't print, so we'll add this to our list. It should print at some time, just doesn't say when. Really wasn't anything for MEJT today, except this is our resistance level, which apparently held. This is a pattern which has an early low and a late high. Almost always it rallies into the close, and almost always if you are going to drop, you're going to do it in the first hour or two. This is kind of an unusual time for the drop to happen, but I guess nothing works every time. When the market reopens on Thursday, it's the pattern with the early high, tends to rally throughout the day and close near the high. If that doesn't happen, it tends to drop in a straight line. This is a negative pattern unless we invalidate it by gapping up over these highs. I expect to see lower prices print. Doesn't mean that will close lower. If we do get lower prices, look for support under this price, which need not hold. Well, here's where we are. We're trying to count the waves in wave Aqua C. It's not particularly clear to me. This was the count I thought was the most likely. 1, 2 with great fib ratios. Then we should be in a third wave down. And if this count were right, that would be compatible because I said invalidating it would be trading over these highs, and that didn't happen. You can count 1, 2, 3, 4, and then ABC, and you could say you're in wave 3 down with multiple degree. But appealing as that is, I'm not certain it's the right count. I just can't count this wave. Red 5 is a 5-wave structure. I'm going to revert back to this one. I had B here. Maybe we're making a triangle. Maybe that's ABC. Maybe we have A, B, C, D, E. We're ready to have, maybe that's the end of B. We're ready to have a wave C down. As I say, there isn't just one way to count it. But I'm looking for lower prices when the market reopens unless we invalidate today's action. We really have all we need for a steep drop, but it hasn't happened yet. And because those aren't the only counts out there, I'm not going to guarantee we have a steep drop when we reopen. But I do look for lower prices, and then we'll have to see if we drop in a straight line or get the typical recovery. And I'm not going to make any prediction with regards to that. And that's today's call.